half of your language is their language.
No matter what, I don't care. I'm not going over there.
Well, you think you should take the trip one weekend and find out?
And then, si Tami sumasagot sa mga tanong. Sabi ko, putulin mo na kasi scam yan.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, mga ka-everything. So, I need to go upstairs. May splinter yung paa ko. Iwan ko. Akala ko nawawala na, meron pa pala. So, meron pa tayong splinter. So, good morning! Good morning, mga ka-everything ko dyan. So, it's early in the morning. It's 7 o'clock something. And, yun, may splinter po tayo. Dito, oh. Teka muna. Hindi ko makita. Wala. Nangyari. Ba't hindi makuha? Wala. Ayan. Ayan, nakuha ko na. Finally. Oh. I don't know kung ano to. Ay, ang sakit. Basta splinter talaga, guys. Kahit maliit lang siya, ang sakit-sakit. Tulog pastami. Mag-ano lang ako, dalawa na lang yung natira. After that, hindi na ako bibili. Well, sabi ko, hindi na ako bibili ng bread. Pero si Tami, kapag makakita ng bread, bibilhan ako. So, kaya, kahit anong, hindi ko mahindian yung bread. It's almost 8 o'clock na pala. It's 7:52. And then, mag-widwalk ako mamaya. Kasi kailangan kong mag-widwalk kasi ang taas-taas na ng mga damo sa gilid-gilid. At saka hindi siya makat ng ano ba, yung lawnmower. Diba? Balik tayo trabaho sa labas kasi alam nyo na, trabaho. Walang katapusan, mas mabuti pang agahan ko yung magtrabaho sa labas kaysa mamaya sobrang init. Agahan natin. Hindi ko alam kung anong plano ng kapatid ni Tamimoy, pero parang walang plano ata na kunin yung mulch dito sa bahay. Anyway, every time na maglilinis in Daguerre, guys, ang daming nakukuhang dumi sa floor at buhok. Tignan nyo yan. Kung hindi siya maglilinis, yung buhok is andun lang sa floor. So, every time na palinisin ko siya, linisin ko ito, and then, pagkatapos niya maglinis, ang dami na namang makolekta.
Beautiful woman, I felt it deep inside. Beautiful woman, people are talking me down. Beautiful woman, you try to tell me what's right. The road gets longer, you turn all grey into white. Oh, and all the things I didn't say, there's wrecking balls inside my brain. Standing tall with all my faith, empty voices in my head, and they will always be around until I found the one again. Beautiful woman, sometimes we simply fall out. Beautiful woman, beautiful woman, tied to your love in a doubt. Beautiful woman, and all the things I didn't say, there's wrecking balls inside my
Kailangan ko lang yung
standing tall with all
para
my
magamit ko.
faith, empty voices.
Gagamitin ko na pang sand. Hi guys! Tignan nyo guys, nakaganito yung ano ko. Kasi, look, may ano naman tayo. Bra. Kasi, kumakati na dito, oh, nilagyan ko siya ng yellow, pink na pang wala ng kate. Poison ivy. And, gigaling ako nag-weedwalk, diba? I still need to go out to get some vegetables. Dinner, baby. You can ride, but I can go run inside. But you can't hide. Ito yung furniture. Ito yung... Kailangan ko lang siyang tawag nun. Sanding. Sanding, stay, standing, standing by me. Oh, darling, staan. Kailangan ko magtrabaho para hindi boring ang buhay. Ganito lang to. Magsasal ka lang, ganun. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lumabas na si Sir Kubalin to. Magsukit-sukit na yan kung anong ginagawa ko.
That was in the garage?
Mm-hmm. This milk.
You're using that paper's too fine.
This is a fine.
No, you're supposed to use that for after you get the...
Huh?
It's supposed to be what you do after you take off what you want to take off and then get smooth.
I don't need to double work, hon. I'm the one working. Holding. Look, oh, the shininess is gone. And to hold the paint.
Well, Roxy was in your garden this morning.
Huh?
Roxy was in your garden this morning. Wouldn't get out. I actually had to walk over there to get her out.
Which one? Which garden?
Because with the metal thing in it. Because Liam was under that bush.
And did you take her out over there? There's a lot of things there.
I had to walk over there. She wouldn't listen to me. I had to actually physically go over there to get her out of there. I think Liam wanted to play with her.
Huh?
So then she went and met Liam further on back in the yard. And she jumped. Liam jumped to the gate.
Yeah.
And Roxy jumped back. And then Roxy walked over. And Liam was just like scratching her nails on the gate pole. And then she started walking across the pole.
Yeah, because Liam wants to stop.
Yeah.
And Roxy too.
She scared Roxy.
She knows how to scare Roxy.
Yeah, pretty much all you gotta do is go.
Oh, what?
All you gotta do is go.
Always be around until I found the one again. And all the things I didn't say, there's wrecking balls inside my brain. Standing tall with all my faith, empty voices in my head. And they will always be around until I found the one again. Just the way you are. Beautiful, beautiful woman. You're a beautiful woman. You're a beautiful woman.
So, hindi ko natapos yung binalik ko lang ito kasi hindi pa ako naliligo. Kasi mamaya na ako maligo kasi ang dami ko pang planong gawin. Maaga pa, 1:35 hapon. Do you wanna ride? You stay in the car?
Oh, not a good dress. What are you getting?
Vegetables, and I find to meat whatever we can do because I'm not closing now. It's too late. Do I wait?
You wait for me to shower and dress?
No, you're not. You just stay in the car. You don't want to ride, or you just rather stay here? Tell me now.
That's fine.
Naano ako kasi, i-close ko lang tong window kasi alis ka na. Naano lang ako kasi kausap niya yung kaibigan niya taga Florida. So gusto niyang mag-move kami doon at gusto din namin mag-move doon Florida. Kaso hinihikayat itong isa na magpunta-punta daw sila sa magpunta daw sila sa ibang country. Costa Rica. Gusto nilang magpunta sa Costa Rica kasi yun yung nakapunta na sila noon doon nung hindi pa kami nagkakilala ng ito. Yung talagang After 1 year, nagkakilala kami nitong asawa ko. Pero galing na siya doon. So ngayon, hinikayat itong pupunta doon sa Costa Rica and then mag-business. At saka sabi ko, ayaw ko. Ayaw ko ng ganon kasi sabi ko, kung alis ka, huwag ka nang babalik ha. Kasi hindi na muna ako makikita pa. Kasi ayaw kong magpunta siya doon at saka mag-business. Hindi ito, magaling ito sa mga ganon kapag, you know, pero sobrang, parang ayaw niyang, yung, ano ba sa Tagalog? May problema siya sa ano yung mga papel. Ayaw niyang mag-deal ng mga ganon. Magaling ito kung ibang tao yung may-ari. Pero kapag siya na yung may-ari, alam ko talagang hindi ito magaling kasi always ayaw niyang mag-asikaso, ganun. So, problemado pa sa ibang lugar pa talaga. Gusto niyang pumunta doon, sabi niya, isama kita, bakasyon doon. Sabi ko, ayaw ko. Kasi alam ko talaga gusto din niya doon titira. Sabi ko, kung titira ka doon ka. Sa ano ako, balik ako sa Pinas. Bakit nandun ako sa ibang lugar nakatira? Bakit hindi sa lugar ko na gusto ko? And then, wala naman tayong pamilya doon. Wala tayong kilala. Bakit gusto mo doon? So, yun na ano lang ako. Pero, yung tinawag ng kaibigan niya is ano lang. Ibinta na yung ano kasi, di ba, hinihikayat ko siya. Sinabihan ko siya na ibinta na, tawagan mo yung kaibigan mo. Na ano, di ba sinabi ko yan. And, so ngayon, tumawag siya ulit, sabi pa niya. Babalikan daw niya si Tami. Sinabihan daw niya, may kakilala daw siyang bumibili ng mga bahay. Anyway, you said it's not gonna rain. It's at 3 o'clock it will rain.
As far as I know, it wasn't rain. I didn't say it wasn't rain.
3 o'clock it says in the app.
Great.
And tomorrow is thunderstorm.
That's fucking perfect.
I don't know about in your Rochelle or in Queens. I don't know. You have to look because I see a thunderstorm here, like a lightning sign.
Oh, so you just look at pictures.
Yeah. Yeah, I just look at the picture. So, madali ang alis lang ito, guys, kasi gusto ko lang, isipan ko lang kung ano yung kakainin for dinner. Ayaw ko sa Costa Rica kung mag-move man kami sa ibang lugar. Pero hinihikayat din siya na dapat mag-move sa Florida, which is good because gusto ko sa Florida. Gusto kong tumira sa Florida, pero wag masyadong malapit sa mga kaibigan. Yung mga door-to-door. Ayaw ko ng mga ganun, guys. Yung mga mag-door-to-door, magkaibigan. Lalo na dito sa Amerika. Wala mang problema kasi may mga privacy man, di ba? Nagre-respeto man sila sa mga privacy ng mga tao. Pero mas gusto ko yung mga 20 minutes, 10 minutes drive, 5 minutes drive, ganun. Ayaw ko yung mga kapit-kapit bahay. Mas ayaw ko talaga yung mas sobrang lapit-lapit. Mas okay yung mga ilang minutong drive kasi, you know, hindi masyadong sobrang lapit.
Buy me 2 packs of the Italian cold cut trio combination, so I can take with me for the weekend. So sometime within the next 2 years, he wants to build like a little 6-unit hotel or 8-unit hotel and rent them out. Hire somebody for security, hire somebody to be a caretaker, and rent them out. And he can travel back and forth, and like he'll have a little tent area on the property. So if the hotel's full, he can sleep in a tent area. And if the hotel's empty, he can sleep in one of the rooms. But he'll go back and forth, check up on it. At some point, to make enough money there to be able to retire there and live comfortably.
So he
keep the house in Florida.
So he told you also to retire there, huh?
What?
He also tells you to retire over there.
Well, he said we should think about retiring there, but he just wants me to help set it up because he's gonna need a lot of security and crap. Because
no retirement over there. I've been going over there.
You would love it.
Yeah.
I tell you.
Love it.
You would.
I'd rather stay in my place.
We'd be on even. Well, we wouldn't be on even ground because you'd actually be able to speak the language better than I would because half of your language is their language.
No matter what, I don't care. I'm not going over there.
Well, you think you should take the trip one weekend and find out?
Bahay na kami. Iniwan ko si Tami, look. Wala na dito. Sabi ko, alis ka ha. Ayaw na kitang makita. Nagalit ako. Nagalit talaga ako. Sabi ko, layas ka dong, layas ka dong. Wala. Sabi na iwan niya yung cellphone niya. Kasi pinalayas ko talaga, guys. Joke lang. Hindi ko yan pwedeng palayasin. Oy, mahal na mahal ko yun. Para yung bigas. Bigas na mahal. Did you pick up?
Maybe because one of those are
Oh, I didn't pick up. The big one, so I'll cancel this. Close that thing. Okay, so here's your thing, and this is gonna be our dinner. I will marinate and grill it, okay? Hopefully it's not gonna be. And this is our veggies. Guys, ang dami na namin pinakain. Even now a bunny we're going to feed. It's ridiculous. It's just I can't handle this feeding thing. It's like, so corn. I got my husband a corn, and I got my husband a potato. Okay, so that he will be happy and he bring whatever left over.
He said, I know, I want to have some of what you got.
Sing, honey, sing, sing.
Point to him, point to him.
Okay, honey. The big tree, the first tree in the line over there where you always got the annoying one, the big one.
Yeah.
Did you see that leaves, tree leaves? That poison oak, that one that's rolling everywhere. That's a poison oak, Tommy.
I know that's where I got poison from.
That's the freaking poison oak, and I was planning to weed whack it, and I said, wow, poison oak, Tommy should know this. And because it's growing, and now you have to spray because we have a spray downstairs, poison oak spray. It's like, what the heck? You don't know what is poison ivy? Oh, you left it. Now it's dirty. Throw it out.
You're like, what? What? Leave me alone.
Kiss him, honey. Kiss him.
Leave me alone.
His eyes is happy. Kiss him, baby.
Leave me alone.
Kiss that little boy. So it's like, honey, no, no. He's planning. No.
My shoulders. What?
And your dog agrees it too. That's a weird song, baby. So ngayon guys, ang anuhin ko na naman. Maaga pa, it's 4 o'clock pero I want this to tapos. Gusto kong itong matapos na, kaya luto na ako. And katatapos lang ni Taming nakipag-usap. May tumawag dito from Florida. Okay? So sinagot ko, si Tami, yung binigay ko kay Tami yung phone. So ngayon, nag-usap sila. Kakausap pa lang ng friend ni Tami na ibinta, 'di ba, yung kondo. So ngayon, may mga tumawag na dito, mga taga Florida. Ang hindi namin magits, alam nila yung house phone number namin dito. And also, alam nilang ibibinta namin. Ang problema, hindi pa nalagay sa listing yung kondo. So ngayon, maraming tinatanong kay Tami, maraming tumatawag na scam. And then si Tami sumasagot sa mga tanong. Sabi ko, putulin mo na kasi scam yan. Kapsalo kasi Tami talaga. Sana hindi ko sinagot. Akala ko kaibigan niya tumawag kasi sabi Florida. Ang daming scam kasi guys. Sana hindi yun maano kasi ang dami kong naririnig na mga, for example, sinabi kasi ni Tami na matagal na siyang wala doon, walang tao, ganun. So ang problema nun kung may mag-squat. Wala man pwedeng mang-squat, pero ang daming makakuha ng mga, ano ba, yung mga titulo is, di ba, public. And then matagal na si Tami wala doon. So baka, maano, kasi guys, maraming scam dito guys, yung mga bahay-bahay. Kahit yung bahay mo, nagtataka ka na lang, hindi na ikaw yung may-ari. Kailangan talagang pagtuunan mo ng pansin talaga yung mga titulo ng bahay, ganon. Kahit yung magnanakaw ng mga bahay, yung mga titulo, and didibinta, nag-ano sila, sinabi niya yun na madali lang daw gawin. Ang tinatarget nila is yung mga elderly. So, kaya natakot ako sana hindi yun scam kasi sinabi ni Tami, ay nako, sabi ko putulin mo na kasi scam yun dong. Scam, nag-alala tuloy ako kasi sabi pa niya, ibinta yun. Sabi ko, paano nalaman na ibinta? Sabi ko, paano nalaman yung telephone number dito? Sabi pa ni Tami, oo nga, paano nila nalaman? Dapat yung cellphone ko, hindi yung house phone kasi bago lang itong house phone namin. Paano nila nalaman, diba? Andin yung condo, hindi pa sa listing. Wala pa sa online na dapat ibinta. Kaluka na luka ako talaga guys, as in. Yung mga scammer ba, sobrang ano. Sarap nito guys, grabbers, look. And ito, ilagay ko na lang ito sa oven. And then, pagkatapos niyan, is mag-grill po ako pa. Ilang oras din itong minarinate ko. Okay. Ito na guys, malapit nang maluto ito. Yan. And, let's go inside. I-check natin si Dada. Come on. Kanina pa pala ito nagbibip. Kalerki, kalerki. Sabi pa i-mix. Thank you, Donald. They're just waiting. Waiting and... They are. It's just amazing the lineup, huh? And you know... Hi guys. Tapos na po tayo naligo. Tignan niyo tong buhok ko. Yung naglalaba din si Tami, guys. Look, naglaba siya. Kahit late na. Laba-laba-laba. Naglaba siya. And then, nandun sa labas. Good night, guys. This is our night. Look at this.
Good night, guys. Bye, guys.
Good night. See Nai Nai.
Playing
with Dada. Stay in your blanket. Blanket niya yan, guys. Yung sa ibabaw. And then, he tried to grab Tammy's space. He tried to sleep where Tammy is. Anyway, guys. We're gonna see night. Hubad itong si Mister. So, I can't show him because he's nikidi-nikido. Anyway, we're gonna see Nai Nai.
Night, guys.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Night, guys.
Look at that little girl, guys. Look at Roxy. So kaya
Cats are in their spaces.
yeah, but look at
Eventually,
that
they change and decide to bounce in here.
face. Look at that face.
Give me a paw. Give me. I got the ear. I got the ear.
Okay, na night, guys.